This cordless 3/8 ratchet is a mechanic's dream, whether they're a professional or a do-it-yourselfer. It delivers 55 feet-pounds of max torque and a speed of 200 RPM. And its compact size lets users reach fasteners in tight spaces. But will it stand up to the wear and tear of the work you do? Well, its yoke housing is made from investment cast steel for this very reason. Other features include a power state brushless motor, variable speed trigger, and rubber over mold. As we said, this tool is ideal for hard-working auto mechanics. We have the best price on it. Shop JB Tools and save.